Business insurance versus employer liability versus directors and officers versus cyber versus business interruption. Which one is better for risk management? Running a business comes with many risks, but most entrepreneurs get this wrong by assuming a single policy covers everything. The surprising truth is that employer liability, directors and officers, cyber, and business interruption insurance each protect different parts of your company. Employer liability insurance is mandatory in most countries. It protects your business if employees are injured or become ill due to work conditions. This coverage not only safeguards finances, but also ensures compliance with legal requirements, avoiding heavy fines. Directors and officers do insurance protects company leaders from personal liability arising from decisions or mismanagement. If a shareholder or regulator sues your management team, this policy covers legal costs and potential settlements, providing crucial protection for key decision makers. Cyber insurance is becoming increasingly vital as businesses store more data online. It covers losses from cyber attacks, data breaches, and ransomware. For small and medium-sized enterprises, a cyber attack could be catastrophic without insurance, potentially costing hundreds of thousands in recovery and reputational damage. Business interruption insurance protects your revenue if operations are temporarily halted due to events like fire, flood, or other disasters. Even short closures can have a significant financial impact, and this coverage ensures your company can maintain payroll bills and ongoing expenses. So, which is better for risk management? The most effective strategy combines these policies based on your company's size, sector, and specific risks. Employer liability is essential. It protects leadership, cyber insurance mitigates digital threats, and business interruption secures revenue streams. Comprehensive risk management isn't just about surviving disasters, it's about maintaining stability, protecting stakeholders, and ensuring your business can grow confidently. With the right combination of insurance, you can focus on innovation and growth without constantly worrying about unexpected setbacks.